Now in this video, what we will be working is, now we will be working on preparing the exploded view of our assembly. All right, so I've exited the mechanism application. Okay, we just have to click on this close button and come back to our default window. And I've also changed the shading to shading with edges so that it's pretty clear for us. Now I'll just go to the view manager and click on explode and click on Neo. I'll just press enter, and after that I'll just click on edit position, and I'll be one by one arranging all the components which we have in our assembly. So firstly I'll pull out these three components as far as possible. Then I'll select this base, and I'll just keep it at this position, and I'll move to the top cap and I'll select it and drag it upward. I'll select the strainer, and after this I need to pull out the the three screws first of all, which are at the three corners, and bring them in between the the two components. All right, so I'll just select them by holding control and bring them below, because first we are adding this, then we are adding the screws, and then we are adding these foot, right? And after that I'll just pull out the assembly of the PCB, and I'll just unscrew the motor and I'll bring them down. All right, so we will be having these screws at this level and the PCB at this level. Then I'll be bringing down the motor. All right, and I'll just raise the the cap, the cup, and I'll just bring down this slightly, and I'll just move up the screw, then the blade. I'll adjust the blade, and I'll adjust the gasket, and I'll just press Ctrl D. So this is how everything gets exploded. I'll just right click on the exploded view and click on save, and for clarity purposes I'll just change the colors of bottom parts, because those are not really visible to us when we are working with them, and the feet as well. All right, let me change to some lighter color. All right, press Ctrl D. This is the exploded view of our entire assembly. So these are the components what we have. Let us move to the next video.